Today we're going to peel, slice, deep fry, and cook eggs in silicone molds. Today we're making crispy onion rings topped with tender eggs, a unique combination of a golden crunchy crust and a soft creamy flavor. Start by peeling the onion. Cut it into thick rings, making sure they stay intact. In a small bowl, beat 1 egg for the coating. Mix the flour with the dried paprika until well combined. Coat each onion ring in the seasoned flour, then dip it into the beaten egg, and finally cover it with breadcrumbs. Fry the onion rings in hot oil until they're crispy and golden brown on both sides. Meanwhile, pour water into a frying pan until it reaches halfway up the silicone molds. Lightly grease the silicone molds with oil. Carefully crack an egg into each mold. Cover the pan and cook the eggs for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until the whites are set. Season with freshly ground black pepper to taste. Finally, place the cooked eggs on top of the crispy onion rings, and your delicious dish is ready to serve. I'll chop some fresh dill to create a bed of greens for serving. You can Garnish the dish with freshly sliced tomato wedges. For this recipe, we used the following ingredients. Thank you for watching this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next delicious recipe.